Hey, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors in your Key to Memphis, and today I just wanted to talk to you how to make a competitive offer when you're going against cash buyers. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Well, welcome back. And today I just want to talk about if you're a buyer and you're not paying cash, which is a lot of the market actually, but then with the market as crazy as it's been, you may be up against a cash buyer. So I don't want you to think if you're getting a loan that you're out of luck because of that. So I just wanted to talk to you about a few ideas that you could do. First off, just provide a level of comfort for that seller. I mean, if you're comfortable with it, give them your bank statement, show them your credit score, different things like that. That's your call. But if it's something that you wanted to do, it would be absolutely fine to give them some level of comfort. If you're putting 20% down, that's even better on a loan. So they know you've got, quite a bit of cash to be able to put into a house, even though it's not cash. And secondly, just kind of look at the inspections. I actually had a deal that just worked out and my seller to get an offer that did not have inspections. Now, they had the right to have the inspections, but they weren't going to do anything about it. They were buying it as is. So that was huge for my seller not to deal with that, because that's been, kind of a source of contention, actually, to kind of deal with some inspection issues. And the next thing, get the lender to do all the documentation. I mean, get the lender everything that you possibly can. So all they need is a contract from you and then the appraisal. So that cuts down the process tremendously. So see what kind of time frame that could be. And then fourthly, ask the lender when you're getting all the documentation, if you get all this, how quickly could they order the appraisal? Maybe they can order it the day. They have to have an address to order it. So maybe, they could order it as soon as that you're under contract and let them know this is done so you could have a shorter time frame. And then the next one actually is that a lot of times a cash buyer thinks that he's providing cash so he should get a discount on the house. Well, that's not necessarily true. So even if you paid a little bit more money for the house and finance that difference, it can only mean $15 to $20 maybe more a month for you, but you would win the seller with that. And then lastly, just provide them a letter about yourself. I've seen that work with my sellers too. It's like they provide a letter about your family, why we love it, different things about it, and it just touches the seller's heart as a whole, because they'd rather have that, honestly, as opposed to investors sometimes in a lot of situations, just to know who's going to be coming in and loving the house as much as they did. So if you want a copy of that letter or different things that we've done before, I'm happy to send that to you. Just reach out and let me know. I'll be glad to share the things that we've done in the past and that I've seen have worked. So just let me know. Hopefully this will answer your questions and help you win that perfect house. Thanks so much and have a great day.